Hey guys, this is the Brave Kitty Cat here, and today I'm playing Run3, the game, again. So yeah, let's I think it's bad. And oh, yes. I was like, wait, what? Yes!
Because if you get home late,
what a great start to the video. Please don't jinx it. And I jinxed it! How about that? Oh my gosh. Come on. And how about that again? And I'm just gonna do something like dumb. How about that? How about that? Get right on, how about that? And how great! How great again! It's just so hard to concentrate again while talking. It's just, come on, talk, just talk, Brave Kitty Cat, talk. Yeah, I'm not falling for your tricks, Run3. How about, ooh, okay, come on, yes. How about that? How about that? Just how about that? How about that? Get my side, how about that? There's like a meme and it's weird. Yeah, and again. Yay. Ah, gosh. Ah, seriously? Come on. Yes. Ah, that was dumb of me to do. OMG. And how about that? I got sucked into mist outer space. I don't know. Just don't judge me. Don't judge me on my smarts. And don't judge me on my quietness. Because I'm technically a mime. Not really. My life. JK. I'm not really a mime. I don't work as a mime. Gosh. And how about it? Just how about it? Catch run time, how about that? How about no, because I'm bad. Oh my gosh. Yes. 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 No. Come on. Yes. 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 Come on. Yes. Yes. No! Come on! I think I have to change my ear. There. That's way better. Come on. And sorry. Just
Mommy distraction.
yay. Just yay. And I lost control of the game somehow. It's because I paused the screen record. Oh, the screencast. I was like, yeet. Yay. Yay. Oh my gosh. I think I need the speeder guy. Yay. Let's try and do this route. Then let's do this route. I was trying to do something awesome, but it ended up as something very dumb to do. So, don't do, like, cool stunts. Don't do this at home. Don't go in a rocket ship and then go into space and then set up a parkour tunnel somehow and then do it and then you get, if you mess up, you'll fly into space. Space. And do you want to get lost forever for your life? Do you want to miss your family? No. So don't do this at home. Don't even dress up as an alien and do parkour. Because alien suits are overly, tirely hot. Ah. Gosh. Come on. Come on! No! Oh! Oh my gosh, I'm just full of humor. If you guys don't know what that means, it's laughter. I'm always distracted. Guys, this is a wrap of this video. Oh, and I also forgot to say something. Also, thanks for those likes and subs, and see you next time. Bye.